Murumba unamali tegale selling on the green Murumba. They say who's better to show you than the Praetorian himself is DJ Them. Go straight up for more 1-2. I hope you're good. I hope you're fine. Please subscribe if you're new to the channel. Please like and comment and let me know how you feel or which content would you like me to present on this channel. Today's tutorial is about the Murumba Pitch tutorial. So it's just a simple beat, quick beat that I just made. We've had it, so we're gonna go through step by step and show you how I made it. And yeah, so these ones that I highlighted are just loops, and it's just the Momo type loop. It's not a Momo loop, but I just call it a Momo loop. I don't know why. It's how it sounds. Then it's just shakers, you know, just some layered shakers, just layered, mostly shakers that appear here on the screen. So then the first pattern is the pattern 5. I just deleted some patterns, So it's just pattern 5. Then pattern 5 is the chords. These are the chords. Then pattern 6 is same chords but different preset from poly 6. VCF. Yeah. Then it's just the poly 6. I think it's a bass, if I'm not lying. Then pattern 7, it's an pattern 8. Sorry, pattern 8 is purity echo drops. This is how it is. Then pattern 9 is the poly 6. Here's it. It's just the bass line, it's just the transition from here to here. Zoom, zoom. So it was just high, then it went down, down octave. So then pattern 9 is just is the log drum. Let me play the log drum. Then it's just the layering. It's just layering of a log drum. So I don't know. Actually, I know, but I won't show you. Okay, let me just show you what I did. Let me show you what I did. I'm not showing you. Let's hit 10,000 subscribers, then I'll show you how I did this. And yeah, 10,000 subscribers, I'm revealing all the secrets. Then is the lead. You all know the lead from Nexus. Then I don't know what is this. Okay, so it's like a string, right? So what I did, I was trying to experiment, on sounds. Okay, these days I do that, but here it's sort of different than what I usually do. Then I took like an organ. These progressions are not usually heard from Amapiano. We don't usually do this, but I did that. So I just put like weird sounds and different progressions. Then it's just hi-hats. Then purity. I don't know what is this. I think it's a lead. Then pattern. It's just a solo that I made. Pattern same. Yeah. Then we done. Please subscribe and hit a thumb and like if you enjoyed the video. Comment if you've learned something. Comment if you enjoyed. Comment if you knew. It's your boy DJ Demko, and I'm out.